Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make the ultimate beef rendang. Ready? I'm using the fattier part of the beef brisket as well. This is what's going to make a difference to the entire texture of the beef rendang. We have some desiccated coconut over here, which we're going to toast it with a bit of salt as well. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pound and grind them to create a curry. So let's get started. First of all, the potatoes. Now that's all done, let's marinate the beef with some rendang chili paste. I'm using a full jar of Mak Tok rendang chili paste here. After that, throw in the beef brisket and marinate with the rendang chili paste. And the rendang chili paste just smells so good. My entire kitchen right now smells like the rendang. So let's move on to putting them in a slow cooker and then cook them for 6 hours. So right now I'm gonna take some water. I'm gonna add some of it into the jar. I'm just gonna give it a good shake so that I don't waste any of my rendang paste here. We're gonna pour it into our slow cooker. And now, let's add in the beef and the potatoes. Now again, we're gonna mix them well. All that's left to do is just close this up, let it slow cook on low for 6 hours. So while that's cooking, let's do the curry. So the curry is very simple. All we need to do now is to toast the coconut. So when you're toasting the desiccated coconut, make sure to go on low heat because you don't want to burn your coconut. We're gonna add a pinch of salt to this. Once you achieve this golden brown color, it's where you know it's ready for some pounding and grinding. I'm using my pestle and mortar here. So this step is really important to extract all the lovely oils from the desiccated coconut. So this is how our curry will look like. And now we're just gonna scrape it out and then put it aside. So right now, all we need to do is to wait for the beef rendang to be done, and we're just gonna add this in at the very end. After 6 hours, let's look at our rendang. Oh, wow! All right, we're gonna reduce the rendang. So what you're gonna do is turn the heat to high without the lid. Now let's add in the coconut cream. And finally, we'll be adding our curry. We're gonna give this a good mix. Let's add some salt to it. Now guys, this is what you want to achieve. Now look at how beautiful our rendang is. It's gonna taste gorgeous. This is the beef. Meat just falls apart. Try it over with some cucumber. God, this is so good, guys. So guys, that's our ultimate beef rendang. You need to try this because it's really quite simple to make. It only takes a bit more patience. So try this out, let me know what you think.